To make chains in crochet, you're going to first start with a slip knot, and then what we're going to do is we are going to hold our yarn with the tail here, slip knot on the hook there, and our working yarn is here. Okay, so we're just going to sweep, do a sweeping action where we're sweeping away, so down and up in a bit of a curve really. So if you watch what I do here, I'm just going to sweep the hook, and I'm turning the twisting the hook at the same time, and we're grabbing the yarn there, and then we simply pull through, and we've made a chain. We can do that again. So gently sweeping down, hooking our yarn, pulling through. We've got another chain. So what we've got on the hook at the moment, you can see the slip knot here, and that's our first chain and our second chain. So let's do a few more. And you'll notice as you practice, your movements get much subtler, but when you're beginning, don't be afraid just to give it, go, just remember to sweep, so you're getting the action that you need, and it'll get more subtle in time. So sweeping there, sweeping to grab your yarn, there you go. And it's really just getting the feel of this, and it'll become second nature in no time. If you make a mistake or you want to start again, simply unravel. Back to your starting slip knot.